Welcome back, Crammers, to question 19. The table gives information about the amounts of money in euro that 70 of Anjali's friends spent last night. One of Anjali's 70 friends is going to be chosen at random. Find the probability that this friend spent more than 24 euros last Saturday. So, we have to find the range that is greater than 24. So, we can see here that two different ranges fit our answer, since 32 is greater than 24, and since here the next integer after 24 is 25. So it's also saying that here that is spent more than 24 euros. So we can combine these two frequencies. We have 25 plus 6, that gives us 31. And since it's probability, we have to divide it by the total, and that's 70. So we have 31 divided by 70. Work out an estimate for the mean amount of money spent by Anjali's friends last Saturday. Give your answer correct to 2 decimal places. So mean is total divided by quantity. So first off, we have to find out that how much money was spent in total. So to find this, we simply multiply the frequency with halfway point between money spent. So halfway between 0 and 8 is 4. So we multiply this with 4. We'll do the same with 14. So we have 14. Halfway between 8 and 16 is 12. So we do this so on and so forth. We have 19 times halfway between 16 and 24, which is 20. And we have 25 and halfway between 24 and 32, which is 28. So 25 times 28. And finally, we have 6 times halfway between 32 and 40 is 36. Then we divide this by how many people there are. And since there are 70 people, we divide this by 70. So we can find this out using our calculator. We have 6 times 4 plus 14 times 12 plus 19 times 20 plus 25 times 28 plus 6 times 36, which is then divided by 70. This gives us 21.257, 21.257, and we have to round to 2 decimal places. So the value after the second decimal place is 7, and since we follow 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1 to 4 we round down, 5 to 9 we round up, and since the 7 we round up. So we have 21.26 euros spent on average. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.